ROLINGER 2PCS LED headlights. The ROLINGER 2PCS LED headlights by Luptaso are a top-notch product that is sure to enhance your driving experience. With their bright yellow halo, these headlights not only provide optimum visibility, but also add a touch of style to your vehicle. One of the standout features of these headlights is their compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. However, it is crucial to verify that they fit your vehicle before making a purchase. This attention to detail ensures that the headlights are suitable for your specific vehicle's make and model, ultimately optimizing their performance. The quality of the ROLINGER LED headlights is exceptional. They are built to last, making them a reliable choice for anyone seeking long-lasting headlights. The LED technology used in these headlights guarantees bright, clear illumination, ensuring improved visibility during nighttime driving or in unfavorable weather conditions. Installation of the ROLINGER is their compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. However, it is crucial to verify that they fit your